Everybody, I'm out here in the garage this morning. Just come from around on the side of the house. The air conditioning guy was here and want to make sure everything was put back together. But this is going to be a little update on Ruby. I'm kind of going over Ruby a little bit. If y'all been following my channel, you know last weekend we went to a car show and the weather was kind of nasty. So right now you can see Ruby is jacked up on all four. I pulled all four tires off. I still got the one tire off because I'm cleaning everything. I am cleaning all the mud and the crap from underneath from where we parked in that grass, soggy grass. And while I had everything up, I went ahead and rotated the tires because I was trying to get that done last weekend and just never got around to it. So I got one more tire to go here. While I got them off, I'm putting a good coat of wax on there too, that Mother's. I really like this stuff. That's some good stuff right there. I really like that. So we got a car show to go to this Saturday, and the weather looks good, so I want to make sure and get everything cleaned up. And if y'all have any kind of a classic car or truck or whatever, or maybe just your own personal vehicle, no matter what year it is, you know when you get mud on those tires and it dries, it just looks awful. If you let it set too long, it will not come off. And I think I got it all off, so I'm a happy camper. All right, I have got a shop card that came in. Look at this one. Papa's Model Car Room. Boy, I tell you what, I really like. Look at that. Got that 5-window coupe there, all stock version. I guess that's the street rod version. That looks pretty cool. I appreciate that. Appreciate the kind words on the back. And if y'all haven't been over here, I'm sure everybody's been over here to his channel, but he's got some awesome builds. So y'all go over there, check him out. I want to show everybody something here. I've got all the parts for the 30 coupe that I'm working on. This is the coupe that I'm working on. A bunch of you guys have already built this. I'm behind like always, but anyway, I've got all the parts pulled off the tree for what I'm gonna do next, and got everything cleaned up. Got those headers fitting the head really nice, and got all the holes drilled for the plug wires and everything. But y'all know I painted this, and I got to really doing some inspecting this morning on this. The paint itself looks good. Just need to wet sand it yet and polish it. But excuse me. Remember here up on the top, see that white line where the paint was just kind of pulling away from those corners? Well, actually it's like that on everything. I was looking here at the radiator shell. Let me get it in. Oh, see if I can get my camera to focus. Look at the bottom there. See where it's pulling away? See there at the bottom where it's pulling away from those sharp edges? I don't know what the heck happened here. Let me show you this. Here's the wheels I painted. They look okay this way. Look at the white. Now when I turn it up, look at all the white down in there. I shot the heck out of these, and that paint just will not go in there and hold on. I don't know what the heck's going on here. See if I can find another one here. Yeah, I guess that's about it. Anyway, I don't know. If you actually look down those gaps, you can see white down in there. It's just like that all over. Look at the door panels. I actually scribed those and put black wash in there, and once again it didn't take. I guess I don't know how deep you guys scribed that, but I thought I went pretty deep, but apparently not. Look at the white coming through here where it's staying away from the sharp edges. I don't know what to do with this. Look in the gap there in the door, white. I really don't know, fellas. I hate to strip this down, but anyway, this was just a short video on this. I'll make a decision on this, whether I'm going to have to put this in the drink start over again. And I don't know, when I painted these, some fellas were saying lower your air pressure. Well, I used the same 50-50 mix of the Tamiya acrylic paint and the Mr. Leveling Thinner, and when I initially painted the body and everything, I was running about 18 to 22 psi. When I painted these right here, I was running about 15 to 20 psi. So I lowered the air pressure, and that didn't do any good. So I don't know. I had my granddaughters out here yesterday. They're 9 and 11. I had them practicing on some valve covers here, but you can see the white. Let me get down here. You can see the white on these, where they were just playing around. That one's not too awful bad, but the other one here, yeah, she didn't do a very good job painting, but I had a ball having the grandkids out here trying my airbrush. But anyway, I'm not sure what the heck to do with this. I didn't check out the dash. Let me see what the dash looks like. Yeah, it's got some light spots. Look at that. I have no idea. Maybe that 50-50 mix is too thin. Maybe it needs to be heavier. Maybe it's I don't know. You guys got some ideas on this one? Leave me a comment down below, because I don't know. I mean, the paint went on really nice. I really like the way it came out, but except for all the white everywhere. So, all right, fellas, that shop card is going to go on my wall. Let me show you where I've got all my shop cards at here now. I'm getting a pretty good, here's all of them I've got. Boy, they're starting to creep up the wall up there. I don't know where I'm going next. I guess I'll just I got room for a couple more up there. I'm going to put up another shelf here. See, I've got that shelf next to my Craftsman cabinet, and it's full of trophies for where we go to the car shows. I've got my models up there. So I think I'm going to put another shelf on this side. I'll have to take that grill and lower it down, but I think that's where I'm going, and I'm going to go all the way across. So, because we've already won another trophy, I don't have any place to put it. This is the last trophy we won at the last car show we won in our class, so I really don't have any place up here to put it. So I'm gonna have to put up another shelf, I guess. All right, everybody, I think I'm about done here. I just want to give an update on Ruby and the 30 Coupe. All right, I'm done.